In this video, I'm going to show you how can we customize the push notification. So I don't want to waste your time, so let's get started. So this is my app. I already run the app, you can see, and we also get the token. So this is our token. Now you can see this is my token. Let me copy the token, and let's go to the Firebase. And this is my Firebase. We need to send the message. We need to send the notification. Just click on this and create like this, and just type the hello, good, hello. Just type the hello app stack and just type anything, React native app. Click on this. We need to delete the previous one token and save it. Click on the plus button and just click on the test, and just we get the notification. You can see we get the notification, but we do not get the exact title of the notification. Like here we type the hello app stack and React native app, so we do not get it. So for this, to showing the exact notification in the title and the body also, so for that we are going to the push notification setup. So this is my push notification setup, and here first I'm going to console.log. so what we are getting in the remote message, just type like this message. And now I'm going to show you in the log. Let me search it, and then now I'm going to send another notification. Let's see what we get, and let's click here, next. And now you can see we just get the notification in the console. You can see inside the notification we have a data and data from, and then we have a notification, and the notification we have a body and title. First I'm going to copy this like this, and just come here and just type the remote, and we have a notification, and then we have a title. Just type a title like this. If you have a title, we are going to show our title. If you don't have a title, we just showing the notification title. And then we are going to copy the whole line again and paste it. And let's see, the other thing is body. Just copy the body and just paste it. So now I'm going to send the notification again. So now I'm going to check is it showing or not. So let's see. Let me close these. Let me send again. Simple. And now you can see we just get the notification with the name of the app stack, hello app stack React native. So this is the showing the real notification. And so this is like this, we can show the real notification. And now I'm going to show you how can we customize the text and other things. So first I'm going to show you how can we customize the text. So in the style, first we have a style. So we have a style. Inside the style we need to pass the type, and we need to pass the Android style from Notifee dot big text. So let me type the text also. This is my text, and I will type the body text will be show in this. And so now let's see and save it. Now let's see the difference between the normal text and the style text also. And let me send it again. So now you can see we just get the text. Let me clear this, and I want to see again. So like this we can change the text and other things. And also how can we add the image. So for that I'm going to show you, and just remove this and again type, and we can type the Android style dot big picture, and just add the picture, and we need to add the URL of the picture. So for that we need to add the URL of the picture. For that I'm going to copy the picture image. So let me copy any image, this, copy the image address and just paste it. And let's see, we are getting or not this image. Let me clear this. So now we are going to send the notification again, and let's come here again. So let's see. So now you can see we just show the image also in the push notification. So like this we can customize and adding the image in push notification. In the next video I'm going to show you more about the React Native push notification. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.